In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export data from your reports. This process is essential for anyone looking to use data outside of a reporting tool, whether for further analysis, sharing insights, or storing information. Let's walk through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, you'll need to open the report from which you want to export data. Make sure you're in View mode, not Edit mode. Viewing mode is different from editing mode in that you can't make changes directly to the report, but you can interact with it for things like drilling down into data or, as we'll do, exporting it. Next, hover your mouse over the chart you wish to export. This is where you'll carefully select the specific data visualization whose underlying data you're interested in. Once you're hovering over the chart, either look for the More Options menu, usually represented by 3 vertical dots, often called an action menu, or right-click directly on the chart. Both actions will provide you with the necessary menu options to proceed. Upon clicking the More Options menu, you'll find an option labeled Export Data. Go ahead and select it. This action will open up the Export dialog box, where you'll have a few choices to refine how and where you'd like your data to be exported. Now, imagine this export dialog in front of you. You'll see 3 key options to choose from under Export as CSV, CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. Selecting CSV will give you a simple comma-separated value file, which can be opened in many applications but is often used for importing into databases or more advanced data analysis programs. Opting for CSV, Excel, typically means slightly more compatible formatting for those using Microsoft Excel. If you're working collaboratively or prefer cloud-based applications, choose Google Sheets. This will save the export directly to your Google Drive in a Sheets format. Before you make your final choice and hit that Export button, take a moment to consider if you want to keep the value formatting. Enabling the option to keep value formatting ensures that any number or date formats you see in the chart carry over to your exported file. This can be particularly helpful if you need consistency in your reporting or when sharing data with others who might not immediately recognize raw data formats. Once you have everything set the way you want it, proceed with saving or opening your exported file. You can open it right there if you need immediate access, save it to your device for later use, or, if you've chosen Google Sheets, watch as it conveniently lands in your drive. It's crucial to note that the data you're exporting is the actual underlying data from the chart itself, and not just an image of the chart. This means you have valuable access to all the nitty-gritty details that can inform your next steps in data analysis or presentation. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data. Whether you're looking to analyze trends over time or share insights with your team, exporting this data ensures you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining, and happy exporting!